In this video, you'll learn how to fix an indefinite eBay suspension. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to understand the reason for your suspension, how to resolve account issues, and how to submit an effective appeal request. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to your inbox to locate the suspension notice message sent by eBay. Open this message and read the explanation carefully. This information is crucial as it will help you identify which specific policy violation triggered the suspension. Pay attention to whether the issue pertains to performance metrics, policy violations, or suspicious activity. Review your recent listings, transactions, and any buyer complaints to pinpoint potential causes. Take notes on anything that may have violated eBay's rules, as this will be important for the next steps. After understanding the reason for your suspension, the next step is to fix any account issues. Begin by removing any listings that violate eBay's marketplace policies or intellectual property rules. It is also essential to resolve any open cases, refunds, or disputes with buyers, as these can negatively impact your account. Review your account information carefully and update any inaccuracies such as your address or payment details. If your suspension was related to performance, focus on improving shipping times and tracking accuracy. Additionally, discontinue the use of any risky tools or automation that may have triggered security flags. Ensuring your account complies fully with eBay's rules is vital before proceeding. Once you have addressed all the issues, it is time to submit your appeal request. To do this, contact eBay support through the resolution or help center appeal form. In your appeal, clearly explain what caused the issue and detail the steps you have taken to rectify it. If eBay requests any documents or proof, such as invoices or ID verification, be prepared to provide these. After submitting your appeal, wait patiently for eBay to review your case. Avoid sending repeated requests, as this could complicate the process. Keep an eye on your email for any response updates from eBay. If your appeal is granted and your account is reinstated, be sure to follow all instructions provided in the response. This may include additional steps or requirements to ensure your account remains in good standing. It is important to maintain compliance with eBay's policies to avoid future suspensions. Regularly review your account activity and stay informed about any changes to eBay's rules. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.